Hello everybody, welcome to my fourth internship task of Sparks Foundation, which is based on exploratory data analysis on terrorism. The objective of this task is to find the hot zones in terms of terrorism. For this task, I've used Tableau for the data analysis and visualization purpose. Firstly, we'll start with the country analysis. In this map, we can see there is a dark spot over here, which is the hot spot where the attack has taken place for a huge number. And the attack type was mostly bombing and explosion. And city was Baghdad. Uh, Country is, of course, Iraq. It falls under the region Middle East and North Africa. Now, if we click on it, we can see all the details around. Its attack type was bombing or explosion. The target type was mostly private citizens and property. The target subtype was unnamed civilian or unspecified. This is according to the data we have got. Uh, as it is said, it is unspecified. That means it is unknown. But according to the subtype which is given in the data, we have to show it in this way. In the next dashboard, we'll see the ranking of the terrorisms. In terms of country, we can see Iraq ranks the first. Then the second place is taken by Afghanistan in terms of terrorism. Then comes Pakistan, and India is in the fourth position. So India is also in danger, we can say. So if we click on Iraq, we can see the city-wise hot zone against the country Iraq. So Baghdad was the mostly attacked city. Then comes Mosul. Now directly we'll see India. That's our nation. So in India we can see there are three cities which come under the top 100 hot zone cities. The top one is Srinagar, then comes Imphal, and then Bora. So we have to keep Srinagar safe out of terrorism. From this analysis, we can also uh, analyze and find out which areas need to be or which country needs to be in red alert state. Uh, Obviously, the most endangered one are to be kept in red alert state. Same goes to the city also. So that was all about the exploratory data analysis on terrorism. So with that note, I end this presentation. Thank you.